he's not a loser, so I don't think he's talking to me.
Hey, loser with the blue shirt. Wait, now he was saying blue shirt. Well, I mean, obviously, Patrick, who is in front of me, has a blue shirt, so I think he's talking to Patrick. No, I meant the loser with the Patriots jersey on. Wait, what? I don't see anybody in here that has a Patriots jersey. You know, the number, like the number 2 on his jersey. Okay, now I'm getting confused. Excuse me, Bully, who are you talking to? I'm talking to Ted over there.
Oh, we don't know any lawyers. All our friends make sandwiches.
What are you talking about, Ted? The teacher is cooking a cat, I think. Not a sandwich. And he's not your lawyer. Well, probably, but not in terms of a courthouse lawyer or something.
Yeah, wait, hang on. I gotta post this. Hashtag, Mondays.
Wait, are you on your phone on social media?
That felt smooth. That felt really smooth.
Sure did, but who are you talking to on social media?
Oh, make history come alive.
What do you mean making history come alive? I just want to know who you were texting on social media. Matter of fact, who are you talking to? Oh, no. You've been mistaken. I wasn't talking to anybody. I was just, looking at a video. And what video? Dish? Well, that is messed up.